Ethereum is a name that rings a familiar bell. Its popularity soars even higher day by day. But if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, or simply taking your curiosity for a cruise, you might be confused. You might not know what it is and might also be missing out on the opportunities that come with Ethereum. And that's why we're going to help you out in this video. But first, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoNow and we're back with another incredible video. So please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. Ethereum is a word that immediately has investors turning their heads. It is that valuable and interesting. Whether you're also planning to invest in it or you're just curious to know what it is, you came across the right video. In this video, we will introduce you to Ethereum. We will provide the basics, its advantages, and what makes it so popular. There's going to be a lot of information, so hang tight and enjoy the video. Without further ado, let's begin. What is Ethereum? Let's start with the basic definition first. Ethereum is a decentralized virtual machine based on the blockchain. It pays for the costs of running decentralized applications with the cryptocurrency Ether because committing modifications to dApps by users or programmers requires mining by other users. Ethereum is mainly made up of three layers: the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM, Ether, and Gas, which is the EVM's fuel that Ether corresponds to. The Ethereum Virtual Machine is a decentralized runtime environment for creating and running smart contracts, commonly known as decentralized apps or dApps. The term dApp is debatable, but at its most basic level, a decentralized application is one that has no single point of failure. The Ethereum developer page offers to provide some insight into how Ethereum defines a dApp, which it defines as a decentralized application that combines a smart contract and a front-end user interface. We hope you've gotten all of these written down because we're going to dive deeper into Ethereum in the rest of the list. What can you do with Ethereum? Ethereum is designed to run smart contracts, which are applications that function exactly as specified without any danger of outage, censorship, fraud, or third-party interface, according to the Ethereum Foundation. Don't be fooled by the EVM's name into thinking it's solely for transaction-based apps, like e-commerce, currency exchanges, or identity verification. Smart contracts are just the basis on which the EVM is constructed, and there are a plethora of other things that can be done with it. Because the ERC 721 NFT token standard, which establishes guidelines for creating unique smart contract tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, Ethereum has become the de facto home for NFTs. ERC 721 tokens allow a person mining an NFT to attach specific data to it, allowing the token to be permanently tied to the digital asset to which it is associated. Someone looking for that token on the Ethereum blockchain would be able to locate a record of purchase, sale, and the ownership that would directly link the token to the buyer. Consider owning an NFT similar to owning an original Picasso. It's valuable and it's one of a kind, but there could be hundreds of thousands of copies floating around, which you have no right to restrict or profit from. Ethereum stability. Cryptocurrency values plunged from the end of December 2017 to the beginning of January 2018. Bitcoin in particular was heavily affected, falling from about $20,000 to less than $10,000 by late February 2018. Bitcoin has already reached new all-time highs in 2021, with a high of approximately $65,000 on April 14th. In the week since, Bitcoin's price has retreated to the mid-$50,000 zone, which Ethereum's price has remained just shy of $3,000 per ETH, a level it has yet to reach. Depending on who you ask, Ethereum's stability and value in comparison to cryptocurrency leader Bitcoin differs. Ethereum's growth has lagged slightly behind that of other altcoins, or anything other than Bitcoin, but some foresee significant growth because Ethereum has generally outperformed Bitcoin with a 40% gain in April 2021 compared to Bitcoin's 5% loss. Other prominent financial features, like Kevin O'Leary, believe that Ethereum will never catch up to Bitcoin and that it will always be second best to the cryptocurrency king. That being said, there may be no definite answer as to which is the most stable, but we can assure you that Ethereum is stable enough to be one of the best for you to invest in. Data coordination. Ethereum is designed to be low-cost, open, and adaptable, as well as suitable for multi-party collaboration. Ethereum performs similarly to a distributed ledger in terms of data coordination, but its architecture also includes unique layers that improve and expand the capabilities of commercial systems. The decentralized architecture of Ethereum better distributes knowledge and trust among network participants, removing the need for a central body to run the ecosystem and immediate transactions. Network size and private transactions. The Ethereum mainnet demonstrates that a network with hundreds of nodes and millions of users can function. Most enterprise blockchain competitors run networks with fewer than 10 nodes and have no precedent for a large and successful network. For enterprise consortium that are bound to grow a handful of nodes, network scale is important. Not only that, but there's more. In Ethereum, businesses can obtain privacy granularity by joining private consortia with private transaction layers. Private information is never broadcast to network participants on consensus quorum. Private data is encrypted and only shared with those who need to know. You can secure your privacy and efficiency this way. Thank you so much, Ethereum! Good day, mate. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. What do you think of Ethereum so far? Let us know your opinions in the comments below. Let's move forward with the video. Rapid deployment and permissioned networks. Instead of building a blockchain implementation from scratch, organizations can easily create and administer private blockchain networks using an all-in-one SaaS platform like Hyperledger Basu. It doesn't end there, and Ethereum's permissioned networks make things much better. The open-source consensus quorum protocol layer allows enterprises to build on public or private Ethereum networks, ensuring that their solution meets all regulatory and security requirements. Ethereum makes sure that you do your transactions with great efficiency. Again, thank you, Ethereum! Finality, tokenization, and standards. The finality of Ethereum is exceptional. The consensus method of a blockchain ensures that the transaction record is tamper-proof and canonical. For varied enterprise network instances, Ethereum offers customizable consensus techniques such as RAFT and IBFT, assuring immediate transaction finality and lowering the required infrastructure that the proof-of-work algorithm requires. Furthermore, Ethereum's tokenization is equally as efficient as Bitcoin's. Any item that has been registered in a digital format can be tokenized on Ethereum. Organizations can fractionalize formerly monolithic assets, such as real estate, broaden their product range, such as rare art, and open new incentive models, such as crowdsourced data management, by tokenizing assets. Also, Ethereum is the place to be if you want to set the bar high. The ecosystem is kept from being fragmented by protocols such as ERC20, human-readable names like ENS, decentralized storage like Swarm, and decentralized messaging like Whisper. The Client Specification 1.0 of the Corporate Ethereum Alliance outlines the architectural components for compatible enterprise blockchain implementations. The EEA intends to issue version 2.0 of the specification in the near future. Interoperability and open source. On Ethereum, consortiums are not bound by a single vendor's IT environment. Customers on Amazon Web Services, for example, can use Kaleido's blockchain business cloud to run private networks. The Ethereum ecosystem, like the Java community, encourages contributions to the codebase through Ethereum Improvement Proposals, or EIPs. Scalability and performance. Consortium networks built on Ethereum can outperform the public mainnet and scale up to hundreds of transactions per second, or depending on the network configuration, thanks to proof of authority consensus and custom block time and gas limits. Ethereum will be able to increase its throughput in the near future thanks to protocol-level solutions like sharding and off-chain, as well as Layer 2 scaling solutions like Plasma and state channels. Incentive layers. The crypto-economic layers of Ethereum enable business networks to build rules that punish malicious behavior, while also rewarding actions like verification and availability. As a beginner, this will help you out a lot. We have introduced you to Ethereum today as well as the benefits that come with it. What do you think of Ethereum? Would you also like to invest in it someday? Let us know in the comments. That concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is CryptoNow, and we'll see you in our next video.